Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please give us a call if you guys are looking to improve your credit score, lower your car payment, buy a car, trade in a car. If you're looking to purchase your first home, if you're looking to purchase a rental property, we can help you. Give us a call today, 877-205-7771. Talk to you guys soon, and thanks again.
Hello, everyone. This is Calvin Russell, CEO and founder of 850 Club Credit Consultation. Hope everyone's doing well today. Today, we're going to talk about our do-it-yourself special we have going on today. And again, you guys know me, not necessarily trying to ever sell you something, but we get a lot of emails and phone calls about, helping people. And everyone has a different budget. And we want to make sure that we help as many people possible. We know that credit is something that's not really taught, anywhere else really, right? It's not taught in schools, not taught in banks. So you have to really, learn from your friends, your family, YouTube, wherever really that you can get the information. And again, I don't like necessarily when people kind of base their results just by throwing things on the wall, kind of seeing what sticks. And so our entire process is going to be in the do-it-yourself kit. So, and with the do-it-yourself, it comes with the dispute letters, the same exact letters that we use, the same exact accounts that we would recommend. If needed, obviously, when to refinance the car, how that process works, what type of high limit credit cards, you should kind of, like in a certain category, you should kind of look for once your score gets to a certain point, and a lot of other small tips to make sure that you're fully maximizing everything. Okay, so it comes with a couple worksheets, as I mentioned as well too, but either way, it lets you know everything throughout the entire process on what to do and exactly when to do it. Our clients are averaging 20 to 25 points a month. Sometimes they see 50 to 100 points, especially if the score is like in the 300s, 400s, and 500s. Once you get over 600, you probably won't see 70 to 80 point jumps unless you have a utilization issue, obviously. So, but either way, you can do it yourself. Take your time, do it on your own, do it as you can, or you can always work with us. So of course we love giving out free information, because everyone's situation is different, and that will never stop. We will always keep the information coming as we get it. Or again, you may be interested in just working on a one-on-one basis directly with us and getting your monthly game plans and things of that sort. So, but either way, of course, if you're interested, I'll put the link down at the bottom. Feel free to reach out to us if you have any questions, comments, or concerns. You can always call us, text us, or email us, and we'll be sure to talk to you guys soon. If you like this video, like it. You want to share it. And as always, be sure to subscribe, as we have nothing but great content on the way. Have a good one.